Good day. Also, this particular Toyota Corolla you are seeing here is the 10th generation Toyota Corolla, and it's codenamed the E140. And this particular model seniors the Nigerian citizen version, that is this type that we made a video on earlier. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the specification, the pricing, the pros and the cons, and also talk about if this 10th generation Toyota Corolla, which started in 2009 and ended in 2013, is still worth buying in Nigeria in 2026. So let's get started. Let's start with the history. The production of this particular model started in 2008 ahead of the 2009 model year, and it ended in 2013 for the US market. And the most of the units in Nigeria comes from the US and Canada. So that's why we are covering the American spec. Then let's talk about the engines. Two engine options are available on this model, including a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine and another 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. The 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine is available on the XRS trim. So that one consumes more fuel, but the most rampant one in Nigeria is the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, because that's the major reason people buy the Toyota Corolla. In US, 5 trims are available, starting from the standard, the sport, the LE, the XLE, and the top of the range XRX. So the 1.8 liter engine delivers 132 horsepower and the 138 pound-feet of torque, and is mated to either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission. This particular engine ran from 2009 up till 2013. Then for the 2.4 liter grade, the 2.4 liter grade produces 158 horsepower and the 162 pound-feet of torque, and is mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic transmission. A variety of technologies are available on this model, including auxiliary audio jack for MP3, upgraded JBL system, tilt and telescopic steering wheel mounted audio controls, a pulse hook, hands-free Bluetooth mobile system. In 2010, ahead of the 2011 model year, Toyota restyled the E140, featuring a new front and the rear styling, and also a variety of interior changes, including redesigned front grille, headlight, front and rear bumpers, new wheel design, rear chrome garnish, rear combination lamp, and boot lid. So from the 2011 up is this one that comes with a more sleek exterior design with clear turn signals at the rear. Coming over to the safety systems, a variety of safety systems are available on this model, including the standard dual front airbags, front and rear side curtain airbags, front row side torso airbags, anti-braking system, and the active headrest. All these are standard. Coming over to the fuel economy, this fuel economy is top notch, and that's the major reason people buy this car. Coming over to the exterior of this car is very sleek and beautiful, especially from the 2011 models. This car is a 4-door sedan that accommodates 5 passengers, and this length is measured at 178.7 inches, and it comes standard with 232 gallons of fuel tank. Before we go to the price, let's talk about the standard interior features. Standard interior features include fabric or leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel control, cruise control, power windows and mirrors, keyless entry, air conditioning, auxiliary audio inputs, and a variety of other standard interior features. Let's talk about the pricing. The price of a Tokunbo 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 9 million naira and goes up to 12,500,000 naira. Then coming to the Nigerian use depends. It varies based on the condition, the mileage, and every other thing. Nigerian use pricing starts at 5 million naira and goes up to 9 million naira. Then let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros of this car include a very reliable engine, affordable maintenance, good fuel economy, top notch, comfortable interior, high resale value, and spare parts readily available. Then we talk about the cons. Interior is not very luxurious for people who need luxury. 4-speed automatic transmission is feels outdated. Base models have limited technology, especially the standard grade, and also the ground clearance is not very high in case, and therefore our Nigerian, but is good to go though. Then before we go, is this car still worth buying in 2026? Yeah, if you're on a low budget, the car is still a very good car to buy. The 1.8 liter engine is very good in terms of fuel economy. You will definitely enjoy it. So, and it's very sleek. If you buy from the 211, the exterior is very beautiful, the interior is clean, so you got nothing to worry about. So if you need this car, please do want to reach out to Alpha Luxury Wheels Limited on 08107992356 for clean cars at an affordable rate. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.